Welcome back, guys. So we are on another day of Vlogmas. I am getting ready to do my makeup, hair and stuff, because I'm gonna film the content for the Rent the Runway, and then we're gonna go actually see the Christmas lights and decorations, and then we're gonna eat. Well, we're gonna eat first, and then we're gonna go see the lights, because by then it should be dark. Dark enough so that we can see the lights, you know. So Kari is taking her nap, and I'm using this time to get my stuff together. So that's what we're doing. There's my stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna do my makeup, film these videos, and we'll catch back up. Okay, so now we came into Target to get a few things before we go to the lights.
I go to the lights.
You going to see the lights?
Like on my baby.
Okay, I don't know if I got what I need. She think it's time for her to.
Santa Claus gonna bring it. You been a good girl, you
I was trying to see which one was down there that was on sale.
It's not this one?
No, I think that one is. Okay. Looking for wipes. Okay. Let's just get these. Okay, so we are back home finally. We went to see the lights and everything, which was so beautiful. So beautiful. You saw the lights?
Open it.
Okay, so she want me to show y'all her toy. So we got her. Can I see your purse? Can I show them your purse? We went to Target, right? Because we needed to get some stuff, wipes and stuff like that. And she would not let us leave without getting barbecue. She calls Barbie dolls barbecue. I don't know. I don't know. So we was like saving that for Santa, okay? And so we came across, look, this little set. Can I see your purse? Can I show them? Let me see this so I can show them. I'll get it back. So it came with all of this. It's like fake makeup and a brush. It's nothing. Like, it's not even glitter. Here. I want to show them what's inside. So it has like a phone, a credit card, makeup, child, fake lipstick.
That's mine.
And it came with like this little charm situation. Oh. So yeah, it came with like all of this stuff, and we were trying to save it for Christmas, but she was not having it, so that's what we ended up getting. So now, yeah, that was yours. So now we are gonna wrap this thing up, call this day a day. Yeah, because it's well past her bedtime. No. So yeah, that is pretty much, that's gonna be the end of this vlog. I know it's pretty short. Wait. Okay. What do you want to say? You going to sleep?
No.
Yes, we're going to sleep. Okay, all right then. And I will see you tomorrow. Okay, so we are finally back and back at home. It has been a very long day. Well, I guess past 2 days. It seems like I'm always doing stuff. But anyways, I wanted to show you guys the items that I was mentioning yesterday or the day before yesterday. That I was gonna put these items in a haul, but I was like, I don't want to wait because I know that it is a sale time. That some of these items I did get on sale. Not really, but it is time for sales, right? And I want to share them in case some of these items do go on sale, or you can find them now. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with these items. So the first item that I have is this pinstripe blazer that I got from Gap. I have been wanting a pinstripe suit really for a little minute now, and it seems as though pinstripe is in right now. So I was like, it's the perfect time for me to get at least a jacket. And then I had that jacket from Rent the Runway that I absolutely loved. It was just a tad bit too small. I would have liked it one size up, but they didn't have it. So anyways, I ended up seeing this one on sale, and I was like, duh, let me get it. So I got this pinstripe blazer. It is navy blue. I thought it was white, and it could be, but for some reason this looks nude to me. It looks like it's a blue and nude versus white, which I'm not mad about it, but it does look like navy and nude. But from far away, it looks like, you know, just a plain white and blue pinstripe suit. It is a fitted jacket. I feel like most of the blazers that I've been buying and have bought have been oversized, and I was just really over it. I wanted something a little bit more, you know, fitted and tailored. And after wearing that Rent the Runway blazer, I was like, I need a fitted pinstripe blazer in my wardrobe. So we're here. Yeah, and I really love it. I got a top from Nordstrom's. Now this one I was super excited about. It is this cropped top, and the back of it is out, so it has like this crop detailing at the back, but it has this little strap that goes along the bottom, so it's kind of like lower back is slightly out, and it has a little detail. I absolutely love it. I also love that this shirt, the buttons are concealed or like hidden, so when you button it all the way up, it looks just like a normal top. I mean, just, you know, it looks seamless. The shirt does come in, I believe it's black, or it comes in another color, but I feel like I always tend to gravitate towards black tops, and this one I feel I could wear a little bit more easily with light colored jeans and light colored bottoms. And plus I've been really liking this tan khaki color, so I love that. This shirt also surprised me because the material is like, it's kind of like, it feels a little dressy, if that makes sense. I don't know how to describe it. It's not just a regular cotton Oxford style button up. It has like a dressier, silky type of feel, but it's not silk. It is regular. It is cotton. It might be like a polyester type of, yep, polyester and spandex. So it has a sheen, a nice sheen to it. So I really, really love it. It does suggest that you size up in the top. However, I got my normal size, which was a medium, and it was like, it's a perfect fit. I do feel like if you want something a little bit more loose, or when you tighten it, because this strap at the back is functional, so you can make it as loose or as tight as you want. If you tighten it pretty tight, of course the inside, the front of the shirt comes in a little bit smaller. So if you want more of a looser, casual-ish, you know, like oversized fit, I would say size up one. But if you want something fitted or just like a normal fit, get your normal size. You'll be okay. I got my normal size, which was a medium. So it's really just depending on how you want it to fit and look. But overall, I'm satisfied with the purchase. The next item that I got was actually this is funny. I got this for my husband, but I got the wrong size for him, and they were I said, let me see if I could fit them, because these are cute. And they are these cargo windbreaker style joggers, and I got these from H&M. I have been wanting a pair of, like, you know, this windbreaker type of material but in cargos, just to wear you know, like every day, because I don't really have anything like this. And so when I got them in the wrong size, I was like, this was meant to be. And they actually fit. So that's like another little hack, I guess you can say, that I like to do sometimes, shopping in the men's section. Now it can be kind of tricky, especially when it comes to bottoms, because men are pretty much straight up and down, women have more curves. So you kind of have to pick and choose how you get their items, especially bottoms. But these had stretch in them, and obviously they're male's fit, so they're a little bit oversized in the bottom area, which worked perfectly for me. I also love that the bottom of them can be, this little tab here is functional, so you can kind of like tie it together to make it a little bit more narrow, or leave it open for a, you know, a straighter leg look. But I feel like it closed looked a little bit better on me because they were already oversized in a male's fit, so it kind of just made it look a little bit more feminine, if that makes sense. But I've tried them on without the tabs closed, and it still looks fine. These are actually a size small, but like I said, they are oversized. It says a relaxed fit, but this was a pretty big small, so I don't know what they were doing on the sizing of these, but hey, it worked for me. And I've been noticing that a little bit with H&M. The sizing has been kind of like inconsistent, but that's neither here nor there. These worked for me. Sticking to the theme of cargos, I got this really nice pair of denim cargos. They are wide leg, high waist, perfect. These are from a brand called Dish. I think I seen these on an Instagram and their ads that get me every time. And so I was skeptical about purchasing them, because I feel like the Instagram ads are a hit and a miss. And when it comes to boutiques and brands like this, I feel like they're hardly ever curvy girl friendly. So I'm always skeptical when it comes to purchasing stuff from, you know, the ads and the boutiques or whatever. But this pair actually worked. It is pretty much non-stretch. I did get my normal size in 8'10". I don't know what US size this is. I mean, what foreign size it is. But I just went by the size chart, and I got my normal size, and they worked. know that I'm gonna have to get them altered because they're extremely long. Even with heels on, as you'll see, they're very long, and in the waist they're a little bit big, but that is normal struggle for me. So I already knew that I would probably have to get it altered in those areas. But I will say I feel like I can comfortably say they're tall girl friendly because they're so long. Now of course I'm not tall, so I could be just being dramatic, but they have a lot of length, which I appreciate, because as someone that is on the shorter side, I can always get them altered shorter, but you can never go longer, right? So they do seem inclusive in that aspect. But yeah, I do love these, and I cannot wait to get them altered so that I can really enjoy them. So then I think that is all for clothing right now. The last item that I got was, of course, my absolute fave, a pair of shoes. And I got these from Dolce & Gabbana. I don't really think I had any Dolce & Gabbana shoes, like, at all. But when I seen these, they're in the trending color of the season. It is a Christmas time, so I was like, this, my friend, was like, I need. They are these red pump, sling bag pumps with this cute little Dolce & Gabbana detailing at the back. These are just so sleek and to me. I do not have a red pump in my wardrobe, in my collection, like, at all. And whenever I'm thinking about a pop of color, I think of hot pink or like a red, and I don't have red. So I was like, it was meant to be. I happen to have found these on sale. I can't even remember from where, but I will try to find them again and link them, because it was a price that I could not pass up on. Like, it was like perfect. I had been talking about wanting a red pump, and when I seen these, it was a no-brainer. The heel looks like it's super tall, but I believe it's just 4 inches if I'm not mistaken, so not super tall. But yeah, I'm so glad to have this, and to have this color red in my wardrobe. So I cannot wait to wear it with different things. So that is gonna be it for this little haul. Like I said, I did have some other things that I wanted to include in the video, but waiting on them, I just didn't want to push this stuff off anymore. So yeah, that is pretty much all that I have for right now. And I wanted to go ahead and show y'all, because I've been putting this off for some time now, and it was just well overdue. I couldn't hold it any longer. So that is going to be it for this video. It was a rather short one, but I'm working on remembering to pick up my camera, because y'all know the struggle. So that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, drop a nice comment down below, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get a notification when I post again, and I will see you guys probably tomorrow.